Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to cin2003 Network Enterprise Technologies. Today we will do a chapter on configuring web services. Then we will do a lab, inshallah. So this is our agenda for today. Configuring web services. Okay, that's week 10. What is a web service, by the way? Web service اللي هي communication between two devices using HTTP. Okay? Like when you request a website. Okay? You are using the HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. So what is HTTP? HTTP is a protocol for fetching resources such as HTML documents. It is the foundation of any data exchange on the web, and it is a client-server protocol, which means requests are initiated by the recipient, usually the web browser. By the way, HTTP is not secure. What is the secure one, more secure? HTTPS. Very good. Okay, so now we know what HTTP, but what is IIS? IIS is the Microsoft Web Server, which provides reliable, manageable, and scalable web applications. Okay? So you get these applications from Microsoft, from the IIS, and it supports HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, FTPS, SMTP for the email, and NTP. Okay? For communication between the browser and the web server. Yani how does this happen? You as the browser, the end user, will open give me a browser example, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, then type a website name or a URL link. Then this request will go to the web server, and the web server will provide the information, and this then can be printed on or it can be displayed on the screen. Here we talk about IIS version 10. They increase security with the support for scripts that take a long time to execute, such as HTTP/2. Okay. And now you know that we have Microsoft Edge. This is the latest browser by Microsoft. What's the previous one? Microsoft Explorer. Okay, and Edge was introduced with Windows 10. Now, other features in IIS 10 on Windows Server includes upgraded HTTP, we already mentioned this, /2, server-side cipher suite negotiation. Okay, so this is significantly increasing the security. IIS administration, PowerShell, and wildcard host headers, and so on. Okay, and there are other improvements, but for this chapter we only mention some of them. Okay, and inshallah we will have a lab also on web services. And by the way, IIS now is very, very important and very dominant in the market for web services. Second rank behind. The first one is Apache. You know Apache, very, very famous. And then IIS. These are web services, web servers. where you host your websites. To set up a web server on Windows, you need to add IIS as a role to the server. Just you go to Server Manager, add role and services, and then you choose here, let me maximize it. You choose web server, IIS. So this is the name of the web server of Microsoft, IIS. This is the IIS manager. It looks like this. It's a console that is used to manage the web servers in Windows 2019. This manager can be accessed from Server Manager or Windows Administrative Tools and from the Run dialog. Just like the other, remember when we did the group policy? We have different options. We can go to Tools, or we can go from Administrative Tools, or we can run a command in the command prompt. Which one is the easiest? To go from the GUI menu, the drop down. Okay. From Server Manager, Administrative Tools. Any questions? Right. What is www? Yes. Okay. Okay. Is World Wide Web the internet? No. It is the web services. Okay. It is an internet service accessed through the HTTP protocol and consisting of electronic documents compiled with hypertext markup language or HTML. Because we have also email on the internet, we have other services. It's not only www. Okay. As I told you, this is very short chapter. So now let us do the lab. Any questions on this chapter, please? Okay, let's